everyone, today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 26, which is remove duplicates from a sorted array. So here in this video I'm going to explain this question and we are going to solve it. Let's look at the question. Here we are given a sorted array of integers called nums. Our task is to remove all duplicates in place, which means we should modify the same array, not create a new one. Okay. After removing the duplicates, every unique element should appear only once, and we need to return the count of unique elements. Let's look at the example. If the input array is 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4, the output should be 5 and the modified array should be as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and dash dash dash. The first five elements are the unique elements and the rest can be ignored. Okay. So the array is sorted already. That's the key point here. Because of sorting, all the duplicates elements will appear next to each other. So we can simply scan the array and whenever we find a unique number, new unique number, we place it at the next available position in the array. Okay. So for this question, we are going to use two pointer approach. We are going to use two pointers I and j. The pointer I keeps track of the position of the last unique element and the pointer j is used to scan through the array. We start by placing I at index 0 since the first element is always unique. Now we run a loop with j starting from the index 1. Okay. If nums of j is different from nums of I, that means we found a new unique element. So we move I one step ahead and set nums I equals to num j. Okay. Otherwise, if nums of j is the same as nums of I, we just skip it because it's a duplicate number and so on we go up. At the end of the loop, I plus 1 will give us the total number of unique elements. So let's solve it. First of all, let's look at the base condition to check if the array, the vector is empty or not. If it is empty, then we are going to simply return 0. Now let's use two pointers. I equals to 0 and another one, we are going to take the another one in the loop, or we can even use it like this. J, yeah. Yeah. It is going to start from 1. The iteration will be starting from 1. J would be less than nums of size, right? Plus j plus plus. And then we are going to check if the nums of I is equal to nums of j or not. Nums of j not equal to nums of I. And if it satisfies, we are going to use I plus plus because it is not a duplicate number. And let's close it for now. Let's return I plus 1. Yeah, let's check it out. Yeah, it's correct. So that's how we can remove the duplicates from a sorted array using the two pointer technique. It's very clean and efficient and it was an easy level question. Let's submit it and check it. Yeah, it's correct and it beats 100%. Yeah, that's how we solve question number 26, remove duplicates from a sorted array.